Welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys how to add an image on your YouTube banner. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Once you get to the YouTube studio, you actually scroll down, you click on what customization. It is going to take you to another page. So here actually going to click on bounding, so I'll click on that. So after that I scroll down and your banner size photo need to be at least 2048 times 1152 megapixel. So if you have a picture of that size, you just need to click on what upload. So I'll simply click on what on upload. So as you can see, this is my picture that I already created, my banner that I already created. So I'll simply select it. So this is my banner already. I can minimize it if I want the way you want. You can make it the way you want. So I'll simply leave it the way it was. After that, I simply click on what? On done. So that is it. That is it. You have insert your what? Your banner. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on what? Publish. So once you click on publish, you come and click on review the channel. So I'll surely click on that. It's going to take me to another page. So once I'm here, you can see this is your banner already inserted. So this is your banner that we just inserted.